Hey, I'm Nick Hawks at MetSci, and today we are going to be talking about applications on the Chirpstack Meteo Scientific console. Before we jump into the video, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button so that you get to like this channel so more people can see it and be helped by it. And also subscribe so that you see when I drop the next lesson. I'm dropping new lessons all the time. My aim is to help you as much as I can with this whole new radical world. Okay, with that done and with the like and subscribe button hit, let's go into applications. When you're in your console, you first sign in, go down to applications on the left. I've got a couple applications filled out here. Before we jump into those, let's go ahead and take a look at what an application actually is. It's really simple. It's just a group of devices that are similar. Could be a bunch of weather stations, could be trash can fill levels, could be traffic counters, could be parking sensors at a specific garage. The really important thing with applications for right now, and the thing you should spend some time thinking about and writing down and kind of making sure you organize it, is how you're going to name them, naming convention. You can see here that I've got this initial naming convention of client or group, device, etc., etc. So it might say Acme parking, occupational sensor, Franklin garage, and on fill or daily. However it is, however you decide to use your naming conventions, go ahead and keep that same thing as you go through. So the first thing with an application is we are going to, you can see I've got a couple in here, but let's go ahead and add a new one. So if we add a new one and we use the example I just gave, it will be Acme, Occupancy, Franklin, and Daily. Now those make sense to me. Those may not make sense to you. That's totally fine. If you're not the only user on the account, you might give an explanation. This is the Acme account using parking sensors to measure occupancy at the Franklin garage. All right, etc., etc. Hit submit, and that is now in there as a new application. You can see that it's right there. Now, if you need to go in and change that, just hit this again, and you'll go over to application configuration. We can say, all right, we don't want to say garage, we want to say garage, period. And hit the submit button. That'll take you to the application. Now, just to start over so you see it, we're going to hit the application here. We got devices. Right now, I don't have any devices in here. I'll show you what a device looks like next time and how to go in and add one. It's pretty simple to start here, but for right now, we're going to stick with applications. Let's talk about multicast groups, which is the next tab here. A multicast group is a way to send the same downlink to every device in an application. So if you want to tell all the parking sensors to let you know every 5 minutes instead of every 10 minutes, and you want to send a downlink, remember downlinks from the other video, you want to send a downlink, you're going to send it with a multicast group. We've looked at the application configuration, just a couple words. And then the final thing we've got here is integrations. What we're mostly going to be doing is HTTP. And just so you don't hear me say integrations over and over, app over and over, and kind of wonder what's going on, I'm going to quickly show you what that might look like. This is over at app.metioscientific.com. You can, of course, sign up for this as well if you want to, although the videos on this are out as of June 8th, 2023. And you can see that I've got a bunch of different regions here. And each of these regions, think of them as an application. So this is all the soil moisture sensors in region 3. They might have a different setting in region 4. Maybe we're growing roses in region 3 and we're growing oak trees in region 4 and we want to get different uplink intervals. Whatever it is, you can set them up in different ways. So that is all of the different pieces and parts of an application. Pretty straightforward stuff. Thanks a ton for watching. Remember to, again, please like and subscribe. Make sure that you catch the next lesson when it comes out. All right, that's all I got for now. Rock and roll.